Guys, welcome to the vlog. It's Wyatt again, and today, you guys have already seen Tiger, my dog. He's right here. Tiger, look in the camera. Look in the camera. Look in the Tiger. Okay, I don't think he wants to look in the camera. Yeah. Well, going to do a video about Tiger, but it looks like he's not so happy today. So I'm gonna give you a I don't know if you guys have noticed those happy birthday things. It's been up there for like ever. It's because my mom had a birthday and we put it up and then we never took it down. I don't know why. We had it for my birthday. Yeah. And yeah. He's iPad. Oh, Squirmy! Oh, there's Squirmy. Squirmy's on his log. His log. So today I'm going to be. It's going to be about Tiger, and then I don't do anything. So I'm gonna go walk around. Okay. You guys wondering what the shirt says? It says Dude Perfect. It's like one of my favorite. It's another one of my YouTube channels. So yeah. Outside. Oh. Guess dog got up. Gosh, never mind. I can't. Let me go over here. Okay, so I'm gonna go back inside. Oh, looks like Tiger's up. Tiger, say hi to the camera. Yeah, like that. And I'm gonna go get my ukulele. Do the ukulele! I don't know where it is. I have a problem. I'm gonna go look. Oh, wait. I can't find my ukulele, so I'm gonna go look for it and see you guys in a little bit. Bye. Okay, I've looked everywhere and I can't find it. Oh, and I have some more bad news. My tripod broke. Yesterday, look at this. It's not a tripod anymore. It is now a bipod. Oh gosh, this leg that fell off. I don't know what to do with it. I just kind of use it to hold my phone. Oh yeah, I have a VR. This is it. This is my VR. It's really cool. Oh, I have a challenge. So when you put the VR, you can't see. I'm gonna try and walk around my house with this on. Can't see you. Let me open this up. Okay, so it's blurry. Is there anything around here? I don't know. Okay. I think I can see the phone, Yeah. Okay, yeah, I can see the phone. Where am I? I think I'm at the stairs. Yeah, I'm at the stairs. I'm not gonna go down the stairs. I'm gonna try and go into my room. Is that a wall? That's a wall. Okay. I think I did kind of good. I don't know. So, oh yeah. Oh, I want to show you something really cool. So, I took my karate jacket and I took 2 pillows, put it in that. Cool face emoji for the face. And now it looks like this. Okay. So, yeah. Oh yeah, this poop emoji was on my mirror. Put it on the window because I didn't like it on my mirror because I don't like stuff on my mirror because that's just me. It's just me. It's just me. It's just me. It's just me. And that's no, wait, that's not it. Kind of actually giving you like a house tour. And sorry. I think I'm gonna put my phone on my tripod really quick. Please. Okay, it's in my tripod. It's not a tripod anymore. Gosh, this thing's so hard to hold. Okay, so I'm going downstairs. And yeah. Okay, going back downstairs. Like, I've really just been walking around, so. Hey, Tiger. Hey, Tiger. What's he doing? What's he doing? I guess he doesn't like the camera. Oh, yeah. This is my TV. Thing is, when it turns off by itself. When it turns off by itself, it like makes these sparkles on the screen. I don't know if you can see that or not, but it's like really cool. Yeah, I think you guys just saw one. Yeah, it makes those like sparkles on the screen, and it's like I made up this game where I guess which. So we divide the screen in half, and then I guess which side the sparkle is gonna be on. It's kind of easy, but hard at the same time. Not sure. Ooh, okay. Comment below if you guys want me to do a trick shot video. If you guys want me to do a trick shot video, then I'm pretty sure I'm gonna do soccer because I like soccer. And yeah. And Tiger, you watching TV? You watching TV? You watching TV? You watching TV? Yeah. Hands on the remote. Yeah. Hands on the remote. Oh gosh. The reason there's all these extra chairs is because people came over to watch the fight. It was Mayweather versus McGregor. Sydney, what are you doing? What? I'm making a video. Video. Yep.
Stretching.
Yeah. She's probably just on Snapchat. It's all she's ever on. Her phone and Snapchat. Which is kind of, I don't know. So, practically it for today's video. Like and subscribe. Bye, guys!